Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mercury protocol token. Ticker symbol is Mercury. Now this token has about a day left on their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It's already been announced that they're getting a big central exchange listing shortly after the pre-sale is over. Now this is on the Solana blockchain. Ticker symbol is Mercury, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Mercury protocol token. So you can find their Telegram at Mercury Protocol Official. 2,335 members so far, 596 of them are online. It says revolutionizing Solana, faster, safer transactions, bug-free. The Mercury protocol. So you could join that Telegram. That's a great place to chat with other community members, see what they think about the project. Now, their pre-sale, there's about a day left or so on this pre-sale. It's a public pre-sale. Max buy is 15 SOL. They're way past their soft cap. They set their soft cap at 100 SOL. They've sold around 500 SOL worth of tokens so far, so they've 5 times their soft cap already. 9 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 893,800 tokens. Now, they do have a full audit, so they were audited by CoinSalt Solidity, and you can review the full PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have an AMA badge, which means that they did an Ask Me Anything with PinkSale. So it says, Mercury, the new era of exchange, revolutionizing Solana. Bitmart listing has been confirmed. So on Twitter recently I saw, it says, upcoming new listing. Bitmart is thrilled to announce the upcoming listing of the Mercury token. Keep an eye on our socials for more exciting announcements. So one way after the pre-sale is over that you'll be able to get this token is by downloading Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC, opening an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when it gets listed, go into the trade section, search Mercury, and then buy the token. So that's one way to get this token here. We'll go over another way in a second. Maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you want to use a decentralized exchange. We'll go over that in a second. So it says CoinGecko listing and CoinMarketCap Fast Track, GotBit and CSL, MM and AMM, 51% LP locked and 19% buyback and burn. Base team and tier 1 marketers who have done 30 to 50 times projects, 150 plus KOLs and partners, all authorities revoked, trending on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, and AveDex, live staking, cross-chain, swap, and bridge. So soft cap's 100 SOL, and there's no hard cap, so pre-sale is just going to continue for another day or so. Pre-sale is going to end exactly May 30th, 16 hours UTC time. Now, if you ended up missing the pre-sale, besides Bitmart, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium and possibly Jupiter. So you'll be able to get it by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Mercury token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is mercuryprotocol.app. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes, and liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 200 days. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 44.75% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 21.68% go to liquidity, 11.18% go to the Gate.io startup, so maybe they're going to be listed on Gate as well. 11.18% goes to the venture capital, and 11.18% to the ecosystem. So they're developing their own decentralized exchange. So Jupiter, named after a planet, is a Solana decentralized exchange. So now they have the Mercury Protocol DEX, the new era of exchange, where speed, security, and sustainability converge, empowering both seasoned traders and newcomers to navigate the cryptocurrency trading world with confidence. They have lots of partners here: CoinSalt, CoinGecko, PinkSale, Raydium, CoinMarketCap, Solana, PinkSale, etc. Pillars of excellence, innovative and streamlined solutions enhancing the concept. So they have low fees. Through our swap, we ensure low fees. High-level security. Through our audited contract, we ensure the security of our official contract and swap. And fast and secure trading. Built on the Solana network, we provide fast and secure transactions. It says inclusive, everyone from the newest to the most experienced, the comprehensive view of our project based on their day-to-day experiences. Mercury Protocol is more than just a platform. It's a visionary community of traders who value speed, security, and sustainability. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, Mercury Protocol provides the tools, security, and support that you need to navigate the world of crypto and trade with confidence. So they have a roadmap here, starting with Phase 1, the official launch of the Mercury Protocol, establishment of the core vision, mission, and values. Phase 2, creation of the swap and testing, initiation of the swap contract, initial thoughts on the marketing plan. Phase 3 is the contract development, fair launch, commencement, aggressive marketing. Phase 4 is the NFTs launch, total integration with the Solana network, and token distribution. Phase 5, full dApp launch, establishment of strategic partnerships with complementary projects, listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Gate, it says. So they are trying to get listed on Gate. So yeah, there'll be a bunch of listings after the pre-sale. Stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.